What if the next thing you add to your home could symbolize wealth, prosperity, and success? While no plant can magically fill your bank account, many cultures believe certain houseplants attract positive energy, abundance, and good fortune. These beautiful green companions not only brighten your living space, but also serve as daily reminders to stay focused on growth and opportunity. From the famous money tree to the charming Chinese money plant, these lucky greens have captured the hearts of plant lovers worldwide. Stick around as we reveal 9 plants that are believed to attract wealth and prosperity into your home. Number 1. Money tree. The money tree is perhaps the most famous plant associated with financial luck. Its braided trunk and lush green leaves symbolize prosperity, wealth, and positive energy. Many people place it near entrances or work desks, believing it attracts new opportunities and success. The plant is easy to care for, thriving in bright indirect light with moderate watering. Besides its lucky reputation, it adds a tropical and elegant touch to any room. Whether you believe in its symbolism or simply love its appearance, the money tree remains a favorite among those seeking a prosperous and welcoming home environment. Number: Jade plant. The jade plant is often called the money plant because its thick, round leaves resemble tiny coins. This beautiful succulent has long been associated with prosperity, success, and good fortune. Many business owners place jade plants near entrances or cash registers to symbolize growing wealth. It thrives in bright sunlight and requires little water, making it perfect for busy plant owners. Jade plants can live for decades and become stunning indoor specimens over time. Their steady growth represents long-term financial stability, making them one of the most popular lucky plants in homes and offices worldwide. Number 3. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is a well-known symbol of prosperity and harmony in Feng Shui traditions. The number of stalks often carries different meanings, with some arrangements specifically representing wealth and abundance. This low-maintenance plant grows well in water or soil and adapts easily to indoor environments. Its graceful green stalks create a calming atmosphere while symbolizing flexibility and resilience. Many people place lucky bamboo on office desks, shelves, or entryways to encourage positive energy. Even for those who do not follow Feng Shui, its elegant appearance and simple care requirements make it a wonderful addition to any home. Number 4. Golden Pothos. Golden Pothos is loved for its fast growth and beautiful trailing vines. In many traditions, it is believed to attract prosperity by encouraging positive energy flow throughout the home. Its heart-shaped leaves with golden variegation create a lush indoor jungle effect. Pothos thrives in various lighting conditions and is one of the easiest houseplants to grow. Because it grows rapidly and abundantly, many people see it as a symbol of increasing opportunities and success. Whether displayed in hanging baskets or on shelves, golden pothos brings vibrant greenery and a sense of abundance to indoor spaces. Number 5. Rubber plant. The rubber plant symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and strong growth. Its large, glossy leaves create a bold statement and are often associated with financial success and stability. This plant grows best in bright, indirect light and rewards proper care with impressive growth. Many people place rubber plants in living rooms and offices to create an atmosphere of confidence and achievement. The plant's strong structure and upright growth serve as reminders of determination and perseverance. Besides its symbolic meaning, the rubber plant is an attractive indoor tree that enhances the beauty and elegance of almost any room. Number 6. Chinese money plant, the E. Chinese money plant is instantly recognizable thanks to its perfectly round leaves that resemble green coins. This unique appearance has made it a popular symbol of prosperity and wealth. One of its most charming features is its ability to produce numerous baby plants, often seen as a sign of multiplying abundance. It enjoys bright indirect light and moderate watering. Plant lovers often share the baby plants with friends and family, spreading good fortune and happiness. Its compact size and attractive shape make it an ideal choice for desks, shelves, and small indoor spaces. Number 7. Snake plant. The snake plant is often associated with protection, strength, and positive energy. Its upright sword-like leaves symbolize resilience and determination, qualities that are important for achieving success in life. This incredibly hardy plant tolerates low light and infrequent watering, making it perfect for beginners. Many people believe it helps remove negative energy from the home while encouraging a productive environment. Snake plants are commonly placed in home offices, bedrooms, and living rooms because of their striking appearance and easy-care nature. Their bold structure adds a modern touch while representing steady personal growth. Number 8. Orchids are widely regarded as symbols of luxury, abundance, beauty, and success. Their stunning flowers instantly elevate the appearance of any room and create a sophisticated atmosphere. In many cultures, orchids are associated with prosperity and positive opportunities. While they may seem delicate, many orchid varieties are surprisingly easy to grow with proper care. They thrive in bright indirect light and reward patience with spectacular blooms. Displaying an orchid in your home serves as a reminder that success often comes from dedication and consistency. Their graceful flowers make them one of the most elegant lucky plants available. Number. Citrus trees, miniature citrus trees, including lemon and orange varieties, are often associated with abundance and prosperity. Their bright fruits symbolize success, happiness, and fruitful rewards. Growing a citrus tree indoors requires plenty of sunlight and regular care, but the results can be incredibly satisfying. Watching fragrant blossoms transform into colorful fruit serves as a powerful reminder that patience and effort often lead to rewarding outcomes. Many cultures view fruit-bearing plants as signs of good fortune because they represent productivity and growth. A healthy citrus tree brings freshness, beauty, and a cheerful atmosphere to any home. So can these plants really attract wealth? While there is no scientific proof that plants can bring money, they can certainly inspire a mindset of growth, positivity, and abundance. These lucky greens add beauty to your home while serving as daily reminders to stay focused on your goals and opportunities. Whether you choose a money tree, jade plant, or lucky bamboo, each one brings its own unique charm and symbolism. Which of these lucky plants would you love to grow at home? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more plant-inspired content.